Are you a young professional looking for a competitive edge to take your career to the next level? Tap in, we've got you covered. I'm Adonis Hill, founder of Level Up Development. I'm very excited to share that the Level Up team is hosting Your Career, Your Control, a professional development workshop for early career professionals looking to accelerate their growth. With over 10 years experience in marketing, production, and project management, delivering projects for global brands, leading companies, and impactful nonprofits, I've learned a lot about what it takes to be a professional in these spaces. This workshop will help you refine your professional brand, master fundamentals to confidently navigate as a professional, and establish a roadmap for your professional journey. Expect interactive activities, in-depth breakdowns, and real-life examples. This workshop also includes a free copy of The Essential Guide to Navigating Your Professional Journey, also known as the Professional Development Starter Kit. If you're ready to accelerate your growth, register today by visiting levelupdevelopment.world.